My version here of eggnog is actually missing the eggs, and I think for the most part, we like that. Katie, you're gonna whip some cream, which is gonna be a substitute for those whipped egg whites. And eggnog is essentially a milk punch, right? It's an alcoholic milk punch, as we call it. So here I've warmed 2 cups of sugar with 1.5 cups of milk, just enough to dissolve the sugar. Now to that, I'm gonna add a cup of cold milk.
Okay, cold milk.
And a cup of cold cream.
Cold cream. Okay, cold cream.
1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and allspice in the base here with a tablespoon of vanilla.
Wow.
Sorry, I feel so loud.
I know. I really wish I could hear what Alex is saying.
And a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and ginger. And we whisk. Don't be afraid to whisk it to froth it up a little bit. And we've got the cream that Katie is lovingly frothing. Now to that, I'm gonna go pretty traditional rum.
Rum?
2 cups of rum.
Is that traditional?
More traditional, yeah. It's actually, Jeffrey, I actually did some reading about eggnog because I was trying to figure out why you could make eggnog with rum, with whiskey, with bourbon. Apparently, after the American Revolutionary War, liquor from foreign lands like rum was heavily taxed. So in America, we turned to bourbon.
I love the bourbon.
Of course,
I'm looking forward to the rum.
Perfecto.
Oh, wow. It was all worth it.
Katie, you know what?
Worth all the work.
You're the best sous chef.
That's all the Christmas present I need was that acknowledgement. It's good to feel seen, Alex.
You are seen, Katie. All right, so we add that whipped cream right in there, and that kind of functions like the egg whites would have.
It's a good thickener.
Yeah, gives it a little body.
6 ounces, and you're
good.
I keep it in the fridge, and I use it as creamer for my coffee.
That's my girl.
That's a great
Little orange zest in there. Now, and this
too.
goes right. You got to have some kind of fancy pants.
So
bowl.
you put it on ice, or is it?
Look how pretty this is in this beautiful eggnog punch bowl.
Carefully, I don't want to splatter on your cashmere.
That's okay.
All right.
It does smell delicious.
This is holidays.
Yeah, and yeah, ideally, you know what, Jeffrey?
Yes?
Quite honestly, I would pop this in the fridge to chill up more for a few hours. And then a little more, just straight nutmeg right on top. Ideally grated from whole.
the nut.
You really, this is one place where I think you want that kind of bitterness, almost the chew and the tooth of the nutmeg on there.
Like nobody does this. It's so traditional,
festive.
so beautiful.
And then you come over to the bowl and you put your nose there and you just get this holiday nutmeg thing. And I think the nutmeg cuts a little bit of the sugar in the most beautiful way.
Look at that.
Look at you.
Couple cups of rum in here. You can make it with bourbon, whiskey. I think the word nog from eggnog originally meant strong ale.
Oh, really?
So I think you can pretty much get in anywhere here.
Whoa. Well,
Yeah, Jeffrey,
my nose
this
is nogged
just
right
the
now,
little
just
nightcap
smelling it.
that you need for your day. You'd better serve yourself
Oh, wow.
than trying to
is
get
good.
that to freeze.
I'm missing no egg because this is full nog, bro.
You know, there might be 2 cups of rum in there, but I'm not feeling like it's too strong.